In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a radar spider chart in Excel. We'll walk through the process from entering your data all the way to cleaning up the final chart so it looks clear and ready to present. This is a simple Excel task, but a few small details can make a big difference in how your chart turns out. To begin, open Excel and start with a blank worksheet or any sheet where you want to build the chart. Once you're in Excel, the first thing you need to do is enter your sample data. Make sure your categories and values are organized neatly in two columns so Excel can read them correctly. Keeping your data clean and aligned is important because charts rely on the structure of your table. After your sample data is in place, select the range from A1 through B6. This tells Excel exactly which labels and values to include in the chart. Be careful to include both the headings and the data itself, since leaving something out can affect how the chart is generated. With the data selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains all of Excel's chart tools and is where you'll create the visualization. Once you're there, click Waterfall. From this chart area, choose the Radar Style Chart option to create the spider chart based on your selected data. If you don't immediately see the layout you expect, double check that the correct data range is selected and that your categories are listed properly. Once the chart appears, the next step is to add a chart title. This is helpful because it tells viewers exactly what the chart represents. Use a short, descriptive title that matches your data. A clear title makes the chart easier to understand at a glance, especially if you're sharing it in a report or presentation. After that, resize the chart if needed. You can click and drag from the corners to make it larger or smaller, depending on the space you have on your worksheet. Resizing can improve readability, especially when category labels are close together. If the chart feels cramped, making it slightly larger often helps the overall appearance. At this point, your radar or spider chart should be created and visible in Excel. You now have a quick visual way to compare values across multiple categories in a circular format. This kind of chart is especially useful for showing strengths, performance areas, or side-by-side comparisons in a more visual way than a basic table. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.